everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So over on Instagram I often get lots of requests for particular YouTube videos, and one of the most popular requests is actually a video I've never filmed before. So I'm going to film it today, and this video is going to be all about how to make your outfits look more expensive. Whilst I'm aware everyone's clothing budget is very different, I'm going to go through some very key simple ways of how to make your outfits look expensive without a crazy clothing budget. So when it comes to my wardrobe, I do mainly purchase high street seasonal clothes and mix them with investment more designer accessories. However, when it does come to those key pieces in autumn and winter particularly, I do like to spend a little bit more. I don't necessarily go designer, but I definitely like to go more of the high end of the high street, just because the quality is so much better, it lasts so much longer, and the fabric just looks a lot nicer. But with that said, I am going to try and cater this video for all budgets. And let's get going. So one of the most important things I would say when looking at new pieces to purchase for your new autumn winter wardrobe is I would look at the fabrics. Choosing high quality fabrics and more natural fabrics will increase the longevity of your pieces, so therefore the cost of wear is lower, and also they just give you that more expensive look. Your outfits just look better quality. So Lily Silk have very kindly sent over some products for me to show you. So they sell online homeware and clothing all in natural high quality fabrics including silk. So Lily Silk have the most stunning pieces. Their pieces are really classic, they're timeless, and they're amazing quality, so they will last you year upon year. One of the pieces I already have on, and it is this gorgeous dress. This is 80% silk. Absolutely beautiful fabric. It feels amazing and it is so chic, so classic. It's just one of those timeless dresses. I know I'm gonna be wearing this for years to come. It has this gorgeous Bardo neckline. It is so beautiful and elegant. I love it so much. I love it. It's so beautiful. It comes in on the waist and it has this pleated fabric skirt. So not only does the silk fabric look beautiful, as I said, it is also very durable, it's long lasting, and it's also hypoallergenic. So it's really perfect for any of you that have sensitive skin. And also Gigi Hadid has been seen wearing one of their silk robes. So I would pair this with white or nude accessories. I've got these little white sandals on at the moment. This is stunning. It's such a year-round dress because it is a knitted fabric. I would wear this in autumn, in winter, underneath a coat, but I would also wear this in summer. It's just so elegant. So as a bonus, Lily Silk have given me a discount code, which I'll pop down below, as well as all the links. This dress has the most beautiful silhouette. It comes in on the waist. It's very classic, it's very classy, it's very flattering. It's just gorgeous. I love it. So the next piece I wanted to show you from Lily Silk was this cardigan. This is so soft and cozy. It is 100% cashmere, so again, really good quality natural fabric. So as I said earlier, not only do these pieces look more expensive because of the better quality fabrics, but the longevity is much better on this type of fabric. It will last you a lot longer than the polyester version you're getting from more of a fast fashion retailer. As well as looking better quality, it also feels better quality. It's very, very soft. And as it gets cooler, it will keep you nice and warm, given that it is 100% cashmere. And finally, the last piece I wanted to show you from Lily Silk is this gorgeous cashmere jumper. This is so perfect for autumn because it's kind of giving transitional vibes. Obviously, in winter, I live in turtlenecks just for the extra warmth and comfort. And this is a really lovely autumnal alternative. The colour of this is beautiful, and And of course it is 100% cashmere. It is amazing quality and it just looks beautiful. It is this really lovely taupe colour. I've paired it with black, but I think it would look really lovely paired with whites and neutrals as well. You can just see how good quality this is. It really is beautiful knit. I've just untucked it just so you can see what it looks like properly, and if you wanted to pair it with jeans, I do think this would look so nice with a pair of white jeans. It's a really, really lovely fit, and I just love this v-neck with the collar. So my second tip is to pay attention to the little details. So I think accessories are super, super important. Obviously I've touched on my handbags. I do love my handbags, but you don't necessarily need to get a designer handbag. You can kind of focus on some other accessories as well. So I absolutely love my jewellery. I feel kind of naked when I forget to put on my jewellery, and I think a few pieces of good quality jewellery really go a long way. So I have some staple pieces. They're not super expensive, but they have stood the test of time, and they just add that extra little something to your outfit. So these rings, for instance, I wear almost every day. They weren't super expensive. I think that they're about £80 each. I got these from Astrid and Miyu, and they really do last you. You have probably seen this necklace before because I wear it all the time, and this is from Saru Jewellery. My earrings here, these are from Astrid and Miyu as well. Another accessory I love, and you guys probably know this, are belts. Obviously this one is Celine, so it was a little bit more expensive. It was, I think this is about £300, but you can get some really lovely belts on the high street. I wear my Reese belt all the time. I have it in tan. I also have it in gold. This is such a lovely belt. It's very classic. It gives me kind of Hermes vibes. And so yeah, I would massively recommend that. It's such a good investment piece for the wardrobe. I also have a belt from Saint Laurent, which I wear all the time as well. These are just really good, simple pieces which really just very quickly enhance your outfit. And if a designer bag is slightly out of your price range, a belt is a good alternative if you want to treat yourself to a nice designer accessory. Also, when it comes to the smaller things, I do think having your nails done and also kind of styling your hair a little bit does also help to kind of give your overall look a more expensive vibe. So I also really wanted to show you these silk trousers again from Lily Silk because they are so stunning. They feel amazing and the quality looks so amazing. It gives your outfits like a real luxurious feel. I feel like they look quite old money vibes. It's a very classic style. Not only do they look beautiful, they feel amazing. They are the most comfy trousers I own for sure. So I've styled them in a very kind of neutral way with this cashmere jumper. This is the one I showed you earlier, as a neutral coloured belt. I also think this would look really lovely in the evening paired with some heels, maybe like a white blouse, or you could also go for more of a monochrome vibe. I just think these are so beautiful, and again the quality and the fabric is just perfect. So my next tip is go for more tailored pieces. So one of those pieces I think that's really important to have in your wardrobe is a tailored blazer. So if you follow me over on Instagram, you'll know I'm a big fan of a blazer, particularly in autumn and winter, and we are heading into blazer season. I just feel like they instantly smarten up your outfits. They make you look so much more chic, and it's just easy. You can just throw it on with anything and you instantly look more smart. So this one is perfect for autumn and winter because it's more of a blazer coat. This is from Abercrombie and Fitch. It's a really lovely tweed blazer coat, they call it. But what I love about these blazers is they're warm enough in autumn to go without a coat because they're kind of like, they're lined, they almost have the thickness of a coat, but also when it gets even colder I will layer it's under an oversized coat just to get those extra layers in. It actually matches this jumper perfectly. It has these 2 pockets on the side and also 2 buttons. Another really lovely blazer is this crepe ivory one. This is from Karen Millen. I wore this recently with a pair of jeans and it instantly kind of made the outfit so much more chic, smartened it up and made it look more expensive. So when it comes to tailoring as well as blazer, I think a good pair of tailored trousers really can enhance your outfit. These can be from the high street. I have such lovely pairs from H&M, my white pair from H&M. I have worn to death. I'm sure you have seen them. I've worn them throughout summer and I definitely will wear them in winter as well. They are gorgeous and I've paired them with so much. And if you want to make them look even more premium, then go and get them altered because you really can't beat a good pair of amazing fitting trousers. So another tip of mine is to stick with the classic pieces. So I tend to avoid the super like trending pieces. I follow trends to an extent, but I try not to get too sucked into them. Ultimately, if you invest in more classic pieces, you will have to buy less because you are still going to love the pieces year on year instead of buying trend-led pieces and then hating them by the next year. So we all know I love my Chanel inspired pieces and these type of pieces have been around for a very long time and I really don't think they're going to be going anywhere. So this set is from Mango. It's a little matching cardigan and skirt. It is so gorgeous. So you can see it has these military style buttons going up. It's kind of like a crochet knit material. Mango has lots of classic pieces in at the moment, including this cardigan, which is super similar. In fact, I think it's the same, but it's in cream. God, I am so predictable. I bought the same one in a different colour. But yeah, I love these cardigans because again, they look so lovely paired with jeans as well. I feel like they instantly kind of dress the jeans up. Both of these cardigans I got in an extra small. Another classic piece which I go back to year on year is a turtleneck. This is a really gorgeous one. This is from Abercrombie & Fitch. It's a really lovely cream colour. I got this in a size extra small and it's super soft, super cozy, perfect for when winter comes. I literally just like live in these. It's just such a lovely jumper. Also another very classic piece. It's a very kind of old money style, which to be fair is kind of a big trend at the moment, but it's always been around. This is really gorgeous. This is from Revolve. I wore this on my Instagram the other day and you guys loved it. Again, a really lovely classic knitwear piece. This brings me very nicely on to neutrals. Neutrals are my favourite and I feel like neutrals and monochrome really do kind of have that effortlessly chic, kind of expensive look to your outfits. So if you follow me for a while, you'll know when it comes to my outfits, particularly in autumn and winter, I love kind of creams, beiges, browns, black and cream when it comes to outfits. I just feel like it gives you this very much like an effortlessly chic, a very classy, expensive look. It's a colour palette that never goes out of fashion. It's very chic and I just feel like you can't beat it. So when it comes to building a wardrobe, neutral colour boots, blazers, coats, knitwear, trousers, skirts, everything is essential. Speaking of neutrals, I just wanted to show you this dress that is new in my wardrobe. So this is from Revolve. You cannot beat a neutral coloured knitted dress no matter what time of the year. I have some short sleeve ones for summer and this is my winter version. It has this really lovely tie which goes around the waist. I will put a picture to the side so you can see what this looks like on, but this is a really lovely piece to have in your wardrobe. And my last tip is to get yourself a Bouclé blazer. I have about 500 million of these. I have way too many, but I just love them, and like a blazer, I feel like they instantly make an outfit so much more chic, especially if you pair it with jeans or trousers. I just feel like, again, it just makes your outfit look a lot more expensive. So this one is from Mango, really lovely. Love the gold buttons on this and the frayed edge. I got this in an extra small. I've also paired it with my white trousers, a belt, and also the knit I showed you at the beginning. I've also got this one from Urban Revivo, which has these really gorgeous gold buttons running down it. I also have a really gorgeous blue short set from H&M, and I also have a white version which I wear all the time. I've had this for years, so I will link all of those for you. So that brings me to the end of my video. I really hope these tips were helpful in making your outfits look a little bit more chic and more expensive. As I mentioned earlier, I will put all the links in the description box, including my discount code for Lily Silk. Do also follow me on Instagram at Sophie Louise's Diary, and have a lovely day.